What is going on, you guys? Just gonna show you this quick trade I took today. And well, to be honest with you guys, it wasn't even quick. I was in it about 2.5 hours. And I still wish I was in it, to be honest with you guys. Look at this dump here. But it's always a coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? So let's get started. So right off the bat, you see we got this big gap here. Okay, we got this big gap here. It needs to be filled. Is it gonna be filled today? I don't know. At the start, was it gonna be filled? I didn't know. But based on this big dump here on Monday, I wanted to see it dump again, especially now because we have this gap to fill. We're at an all-time high right now. That's what I was expecting. Obviously, it didn't happen. Now the next thing was, do I go long? So here's the thing: we got Friday's high here. We got the overall high here at 315.50. And am I gonna go long? So here's the thing you want to do. You want to wait. Okay, so I waited, and just wanted to see what it did at this area here at Friday's high and the overall high. Obviously, we didn't even get there, but that's what I wanted to look for. Okay, maybe if it would have gapped up and opened up higher up here, then came down Monday morning reversal, and then bought in this area here, then probably could have gone higher. Then you could have gone long. But today, based on what I saw today, it just didn't look like a day to go long for me. And so, like I said, we went higher. This candle here, we kind of that's the highest we went. Kind of wanted to get to that high, but we didn't. I actually wanted to buy some puts here. I missed my entry, so I never got in. Sometimes I'm that type of person that sometimes if I don't get the price I want, I don't get in. And it shouldn't matter by a couple cents, but sometimes I can't help it. I'm like that sometimes. And this candle ended here. Pretty much undecisive. Didn't know if it was gonna go up or down. Bulls fighting bears, but we got a lot of resistance here. Okay, so that's what I was looking at. And then we're at a whole number here. So when this candle opened up, I pretty much bought puts, and my stop loss was gonna be right here at the high of this candle. If it broke above this high, I was gonna get out. Now, realistically, you should wait for this high to break, but my plan was this high. All right, if it broke this high, I would have gone out. So this candle opened, I bought puts, and pretty much rode all the way down here. So I got out right here. We got this low here, and if you pair it up, we also got the low on last Friday as well. So it's pretty much a good support area. And we started getting this candle here. When this candle came, it started bouncing. I was like, you know what? I think we're gonna bounce. I'm gonna get out, but I already had some money made, so I just stayed in the trade. And this candle came. I was just playing back and forth, and that's when I got out. That's when I got out all my position right here. Obviously, I still wish I was in the trade, but like I said before, it's always coulda, woulda, shoulda. And that's it for today, guys. Pretty simple. I mean, you got the high up here, you got the overall high right here, and we got this big gap to fill. We have this big dump on Monday, which doesn't have to do anything with today, but it was part of what made my trading idea come to life here. And got in here at 315, or I bought puts here, and my stop loss was the high of this candle. That's that simple. If it broke above this, I would have gone now. Obviously, it didn't. Rode all the way down here. Thought it was gonna bounce here. Wait a little bit. I waited a little bit, and then I got out right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's my trade for today. That's what I did. Hopefully, you guys learned something from it. Like I said, here's what I made today. A little bit over $2,000. Nice way to start the week. But it's not really about the money you make. It's just about, because you can make a bunch of money. Everybody can. You can have no experience, don't know what you're doing, and you can make money, right? It's a 50-50 shot. Anybody can make money. So, am I happy I made $2,000? Yeah, I'm happy. But at the same time, it's not really about how much you make. It's about how long you can continue doing this. You might be making, $2,000 every single day, for a month, and then next month, you might lose everything. You never know. So you always gotta just stay patient, be humble, and just learn to survive another day, right? So that's what we're all here trying to do. So that's it for this video. If you like it, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one.